What's happening, guys? What's up? It's a beautiful Saturday morning, another Saturday where we're gonna have some fun with the Supra. We're gonna take this thing actually to a Cars and Coffee meet. It's actually over at my buddy's place. My boy's coming with me. Say what's up.
Hi.
Hi. And yeah, let's fire this thing up real quick. Michael, what's up? He wants to take the target top off, but it's a little cold. So we'll do that maybe when it's a little bit warmer out. Alright, so we just rolled up to Carlos's house, and we got all the cars that showed up here. We got Bogdan's A7 over here, just dumped to the ground. Look at that fitment. We got Eli's bike. So Eli's the guy that does photography. And we got a Chevy here. I don't think this guy's part of the meet, but it's a Chevy Cruze, all right? And we got Elvis again here with his NSX. So this is Carlos's house. So he's got a big old house sitting on 3 properties with a bunch of land still back there. And he's got a big old shop. And everybody's over there checking out his cars. We got another buddy with the SDK. So let's go see what kind of cars he has. And we got a Gallardo here. And I forget what this model of Ferrari is called, but it's also like an older, pretty rare car.
Speed, you're coming around on the straightaway. You have to turn in when he says so, or you're out of whack for the corner.
And this is his shop, man cave, his office. This place is sweet. Every man's dream. We got a 355 Spider convertible. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
This thing is nice. This thing is so clean. This thing is sick. What's happening, man?
I just living the dream.
Yeah.
Good time.
That's good, man. It's the photographer right there, man. This guy takes some sick pictures. So yeah, it's a pretty sick place here. Alright, so this is his little mechanics shop here with the lift. Yeah, some posters of his cars up here, up there. Some nice toolboxes. So this is his other shop, separate from the one we just looked at. And
I've got a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and bedroom, and an upstairs. Right here. Yes. Wow.
like a living space above.
Yeah. Let me said. Yeah, that's one right here.
You can like rent that out.
It's like a 3,000 square foot house right here.
Dang.
You can honestly run a small business.
This is insane. Do you have like only 3 properties like here or something? 3 lots. Yeah. Dang.
Yeah. Yeah. There's upstairs up here.
that BRZ.
So we'll stop and I'll talk to him for a second.
Sweet.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to get up to about 30
Okay.
pretty quick.
Okay. All right, so that was it for the meet. Everybody's heading home. In a little bit. I'm using it. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed that. Another quick video, and stay tuned for more videos of my GTR and other stuff to come, so peace.